Hey guys, look, I've got two beautiful pots, and so I wanted to put them on either side there, where those two pots are, and I'll probably plant the same stuff that's in there, but into this lovely rusty looking ones. But can you see this ground and the weeds? They're just winning. So I can't put the pots with this thing looking so untidy. I have to do all this first and then plant this up. And the problem here, see, I usually clean from this end, and then this one's not so bad, and by the time I get there I'm so tired. Look how huge. So embarrassing. Look how huge this weed is. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to start from this end and clean, come this way, and then again pot up this plants. So I've got to do lots of work before I can enjoy that planting. Right. Okay, now the sun's already here, so I'm gonna try and do something. Yeah, I'll set this up, or I might start once it gets a bit, once the sun goes over the spot and it gets some shade. Well, the rain stopped, and it actually cleaned the pavers. So all the sand and the rock that I had left on there has now got washed away into the crevices. And yeah, I didn't do this last few, and I'm so lazy now. I'm not going to do it because I just want to put up these two pretty pots, and there's a quick way: just pot it up, or try to make everything else look perfect around it before you can pot up a pretty pot, which is the route that I have gone to. Anyway, I'm going to yeah, this is good enough for now, and then I'm going to I'll clean up this last bit one of the days, and I'm gonna put that up and I'll show you what it looks like. But I wanted to show you where is that? Oh yes, look here. Let me move this. Right, look in this gap. That is a pomegranate tree. Look at where it's come and found a space to grow. So I'll take it out and put it in a nice bigger pot, and that can grow properly, not between the pavers. I shall do this and I'll show you once I've done it. Those golden jades are going to go there. The green is so lovely, it'll just stand out against that rust. Oh, what else? Oh yes, let me show you. I tried to plant things, remember, in between, and this has grown, but it's just, hasn't filled up everywhere. The weeds are just too tough. Okay, so let me get to it. Okay, I cut out that purple Tradescantia from the side. On either side, I just gave it a trim. I will cut it again. But yeah, look how lovely that golden jade looks in that rust pot. I really like it. It's just, that pot's just making it stand out. The other pots were just plastic pots down there in the side, and they just sort of blended in. But this is really good. It just ties in with that rust background. Oh, I love that, the way the green is. Yeah, let it settle in and then I will water it. But that's it. And my mostly clean pavers, right? So I did a lot of work before I could pot up those pretty pots. And I love the look of that green in it. Just stands out beautifully. Okay, that's it. Alright, that's it for now, and I will catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.